stock market functions very differently from what you might imagine. Think of this situation. You want to buy a pizza, but you only have money to buy one slice. So what would you do? How about calling your friends over to chip in money and then buy the whole pizza and share it? Great idea, right? Still wondering what this has to do with how stocks or shares work? Businesses raise capital to fund their growth and expansion by selling part of their ownership as shares to investors. Investors who believe in the company's growth story can invest in these companies through stock exchanges like NSE or BSE. Wondering what is a stock exchange? Just like any market, for example, vegetable market, where vegetables are bought and sold, similarly, stock exchange or stock market is a place where stocks are bought and sold. The only difference being that retail investors cannot invest directly via exchange. They can do it through stockbrokers such as Axis Direct, who provide a platform to invest. There are many myths that makes investing in stocks seem a difficult task, but in reality, it isn't so.
Not many people make money in stocks.
With regular investment in long term, anyone can make money in stock markets.
I need lot of knowledge to invest in stocks.
Stock market is not a rocket science. Follow expert advice and invest regularly without succumbing to greed.
I have already invested in FD. Why invest in stocks?
Stocks are the best way for wealth creation when compared to any other investment.
Let us see how the stock market has performed in the past. Rupees 10,000 invested in stock of Sensex would have grown to Rupees 27,95,800 rupees by 2015. If you had invested the same amount in a fixed deposit or gold or real estate, you would have earned much lesser. By now, it is clear that stocks have given the highest returns among any other investments. Apart from this, the other advantages from investing in stocks are: 1. You can earn regular income in the form of dividends. 2. You can buy and sell your stocks at any time without any hassles. 3. And the best part is, if you hold stocks for more than a year, any capital gains that you make on this investment is free from taxes.